Hey everybody, it's Kent here with PlotForge, and we are here today to talk about a new feature that automatically places existing structures into the site plan. Let's get started. So we entered the address, click the house, add auto existing. There we have it. We've got that feature dropped. Sometimes it's not exactly placed because it's trying to pick up a structure that's already in the aerial view. Now we're going to drag and drop the driveway feature. There is now a new auto magnetic feature for all the structures that we add. Notice how easy it was to line up there, and if it's just a little off, you can still go down and move it around. That new lock feature, that is new. It locks existing features that you place on the map so you don't accidentally drag them off when picking up another feature and dragging it. Placing the property lines. Another new feature we added is all those labels you see on the screen are completely editable now. Now we're going to add a new feature here. The egress window itself is not new. We're adding a measurement, placing it on the map. Now notice down here, we hit that button with the double arrow that locks the sizing in place so you don't accidentally drag it and resize it. Also notice in the left-hand corner of that feature, there is a measuring tool that shows you how far away you are from the corner of the house, which helps you to get a more accurate placement of your features that you're adding. Notice also there in the project name, it's all pre-populated. Even the homeowner's name is pre-populated now. So no more adding the project information or address into the site plan. It's all auto added from your original entry. So as you can see here at PlotForge, we are trying to make it easier and easier to take less time of creating the site plan. There it is, all exported in a PDF. Your title block is all there. And there you have it, folks. That's PlotForge.